Hello friends, Dave Demangos over here at Awesome San Diego Real Estate, and this is Testimonial Thursday for not me, but for Anthony Carlson Drain Service. I had Anthony come over. I needed a back-to-back shower drain cleared recently, and he was like on time. This guy has over 30 years in cleaning, and he's only $50. At this point, it's 2021. October, but $50. So all the other companies are in the $90 to $180. So he came in. The snake never touched a tub. There wasn't a single scratch. He'll answer, like, he loves talking plumbing. So he tells you where all the drains go, which ones might be having problems with roots in the area, everything. Guy's awesome. So if you're in San Diego looking for an excellent drain cleaner, this is the guy. Take care.